Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city, Gurgaon? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Gurgaon. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Takshila Institute. The institute has secured the best result in the past years. Takshila Institute has the best faculty team, which they put their efforts into the students to secure good results. This institute is not run by businessmen but by the academicians. Motivational sessions are held in this institute in order to provide care for the students. Also, libraries are equipped with various kinds of books and the students can refer that for doubts, and they can also go to staff members in order to clear their doubts. Also, online test series are conducted in order to give the students more practice, and the doubts of every student are cleared by the staff members individually. Okay. The address of this institute is M47 Sundar Singh Marg, Block B, Old DLF Colony, Sector 14, Gurugram, Haryana 122001. Their contact number is 0982185333, and the website of the institute includes www.takshilainstitute.in. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute. The faculties of Career Launcher are from top institutes. Classroom courses, online courses are offered in the Career Launcher Institute. Also, students from different places can enroll here in this institute. If they couldn't attend the classroom coaching, they can attend the online coaching. Every class is held in a way in which the students can understand very well and understand easily the concepts. Okay, the address of this institute is Old Colony, DLF City, Gurgaon 122001. Their contact number is 01244014006, and the website is www.careerlauncher.com. Okay friends, they also have an email ID, and that is www.careerlauncher.com/Gurgaon. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Oasis Institute. In Oasis, the faculty members come from top institutes like IITs, NITs, AIIMS, and from other top institutions. The faculty members conduct mock tests regularly for guiding the students to secure high scores. This institute has secured excellent result not only in NEET examinations but also other examinations as well. Study materials are provided by the institute, which covers the whole syllabus that is allocated for the students. The institute gives more coaching to average students and motivates them to attain more marks in the entrance examination. Further, the institute offers to counsel online as well as offline for the students about the courses, tests, study materials and teaching methodologies. Okay friends, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of this institute is OSS Gurgaon B11 second floor, Aptech building opposite Network Bulls, Old DLF Colony, Sector 14, Gurgaon 122001, Haryana. Their contact number is 9650069765 and 8800880028. Their website is www.ossgurgaon.com and the email ID includes admin@ossgurgaon.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Gurgaon. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.